guys, so as many of you probably know, about 6 months ago I accomplished a huge vision board goal, and that was to move to a luxury apartment. And if you're new to my channel and you don't know the whole backstory, I highly recommend going and watching all of my apartment related videos in the last year and a half, because I documented the entire process of literally manifesting this apartment. I documented all of the luxury apartments that I toured before I could even afford living at one of these places. I did a lot of moving vlogs. I have a luxury apartment tour of my current place, as well as a video on how I manifested my luxury apartment within a year. Like, I was able to document and show you guys in real time as it was happening and unfolding. So if you are new here, definitely go catch up on all of that. But with that, I've been in my studio for about 6 months, like I said, and I love it here. I love my studio apartment. I love my view of the pool that I have. I love my complex. I love it all. I'm not unhappy with it. I'm not bored of it. But with that, I like to stay excited about what's next to come. I grew up believing that I couldn't accomplish a whole lot. I grew up believing like life happens and you can't really control it. And then I learned like, wow, I can actually take control and go after the things I want, and they can happen, and they do happen when you pursue them and believe that they can happen. So I don't plan to always live in a studio apartment. I've learned that successful people act from a place of where they see themselves in the future. So in the near future, I see myself in either a 1-bedroom or a studio loft at this complex. So even though I don't plan on moving like right away at all, like maybe it'll be when my lease is up in November, or maybe it will be sooner than that if the perfect unit opens up. Either way, I want to stay excited. So today I'm going to tour a 1-bedroom apartment as well as a studio loft. Now, there are 2 other layouts that I want to tour, but they're just not available right now to look at. So those would be a 1-bedroom loft as well as a different studio loft layout. And that other studio loft layout is the one I'm most interested in. So maybe I'll make another video when the 1-bedroom loft and the studio loft that I really have my eye on opens up. So give this video a thumbs up if you want me to make another video touring those units when they're open. Side note, I am not gonna force this to happen. The perfect unit has to open up and I have to feel like right about it. I'll be patient, and when that happens, it happens, and I'm not gonna rush it. But I still want to go see what other apartment layouts there are for me. So let's go do that. Okay. All right, so first up, I toured the 1-bedroom, and side note, the location of this 1-bedroom isn't the best as far as lighting goes. So keep in mind, if I were to get one of these, it would be in a much better location with really good lighting, like how my apartment currently is. Anyway, the really big thing that attracts me to this apartment is the kitchen. I love the island. I've been wanting like a full-size kitchen with an island for a long time, and this satisfies those needs so much. So that is a huge thing for me. Also, I feel like this camera doesn't do the size of this place justice. Like, it's a pretty decent size. This is on the lower floor. As you can see, it would have a patio, whichever floor it was on. And yeah, here's just another view. There's the living room. It's much more spacious than it's looking right now. And we have a full-on bedroom. Right now, as you know, in my studio, my bedroom's just like part of it. It's a studio, so it would be nice to actually have a real bedroom, because that would feel much more grown up. And then here is the washer and dryer, which is really nice. I feel that it's kind of attached to my bedroom if this were my place. And on the other side of the washer and dryer closet, there is a clothing closet. So that's pretty nice. Another thing about this apartment is it's only several $100s more than my studio right now. So that is definitely an upside. And then the bathroom is pretty much the same as my current bathroom. And then there is an extra closet in the hall. But that's pretty much it for the 1-bedroom. Let me know what you think. And now for the main attraction, here is a studio loft. And again, I don't know if the camera is doing justice how massive this place is. The ceilings are so tall. Over here we have the kitchen. I don't know if you can tell, but it is a different color scheme than my apartment right now, which is kind of nice. And I totally could still fit my little island that I have right there, so that'd be nice. And by the way, this loft is actually $100 less than the 1-bedroom we just saw. Still a couple $100 more than what I'm paying now, but that is not bad at all. And over here we have, once again, a nice little washer and dryer / storage closet. And then the bathroom, all the bathrooms are about the same size, look about the same, so you get the idea of that. Nothing too exciting compared to what I already have. But the cool thing about this bathroom is it has a walk-in closet. Yes, I love that about this apartment. The 1-bedroom didn't have a walk-in closet. My studio definitely doesn't have a walk-in closet, so that would be super nice. And yeah, just here's another view of the living space. Ooh, I love that. And out here, the patio is much smaller than my patio, and it's kind of a little corner unit, and this one has a little courtyard view. That's the one thing that sucks about this layout, is it would always be either a street view or just a random courtyard view. But up there, as you see, that is the loft / bedroom. And this is what I'm super excited about. So this would definitely fit my bed very well, nightstands and all. It has another clothing closet up here, so it's nice that I would have the walk-in closet and then an extra clothing closet. But just imagine waking up to this amazing view. It just feels really nice to have all of this space and this lighting and everything. Tell me your honest opinions, because I'm so torn about this. I love both of these apartments for different reasons. So again, just let me know what you think. Oh, okay, so it is now much later in the day, but I really want to know, which out of those 2 apartments did you prefer? Leave in the comments. I feel like this decision is going to be much more difficult than I initially thought it was going to be, because I liked both of them for different reasons. Like, I love that the 1-bedroom has the island, and it just, you know, with the island and just a normal apartment situation, it just feels so much more like grown up. Keep in mind that 1-bedroom, the location of it was not the best as far as lighting goes, and also earlier it was super gloomy, so that didn't help. But there is a 1-bedroom opening up right across the way with a pool view, and that means the lighting will be amazing. I can actually see it. It is right here. The people actually got evicted, so they're just now fixing it up, and it will be ready to be rented out shortly. The only issue is that's way, way, way too soon. I still need to see the other loft layout and a few other things. But I really also liked that corner unit studio loft. The only issue with that is I have really grown to love my pool view patio. Like, I like just going out there and working, or, you know, doing my mornings out there. It's just a really good feel. And there is not a single studio loft corner unit that is going to be pool facing. It's all going to be either street views or like other random courtyard views like you saw at that last one. I don't know if I could give up my pool view. I just love my pool view so much, but I did love how unique the layout of that was. And I loved how it had a walk-in closet, because the other studio loft do not have walk-in closets. Like, they have way less closet space than that one had. But I really liked it. So what would you do? Keep in mind, the other studio loft layout is very similar to my apartment. Like, it's set up just like this, except there's no wall right here. It's just all open, and so like that area is usually kind of used as an office, and then the living room's still over here. But there is a staircase, like a huge staircase that goes up, and the ceilings are just as tall as that other loft, and there's like a bedroom up top. Does that make sense? And another issue is they said that they don't know of any of the pool facing units. They don't know of any of them opening up soon. With that being said, I can always just stay in this unit that I'm in right now as long as I want, even after my lease is up. And then if one pops up, then I could snatch it, like, and just be patient. Either way, I love my apartment building. I love my studio that I'm in now. There's no complaining, no rush of getting out of it, but I do want to say, you guys know how I'm all about my vision boards, and I did put on my vision board that is a loft layout with a pool facing view. That's what that's supposed to represent. I'm not gonna force it. Like, that will happen as it's meant to happen, and if that happens after 2019, that's fine too. So the most important thing is to be happy where I'm at and also be excited for what's to come. And that's literally the key. The key to manifesting things. I always do quotations on manifesting because some people are weird about that. But that's the key to like making your goals happen, or manifesting really. Just loving where you're at, or at least you don't have to love where you're at, but be grateful where you're at. And I'm grateful with where I'm at, and I love where I'm at. And I'm also excited for what is to come. And that's the key. But yeah, I couldn't complain. I love my apartment. I love my complex in general. That's why I'm not interested in looking at another apartment building. I love it here. I love the pool. I love the gym. I love the clubhouse. I love the theater room. I love all of the amenities. It's just a really cool place in my opinion. So I plan to be here for a while. I'll probably be making another video shortly touring a 1-bedroom with loft and the loft layout that I'm really interested in. So stay tuned for that. Leave in the comments if you have any video requests or anything you want me to keep you updated with, or if you like when I do more like vlog style videos. I want to know it all. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon with a new one. Bye guys.